Do you need to quickly generate a single slide? Need a nicely designed slide that highlights key takeaways or an agenda slide and don't want to build it out yourself? Let Gemini help. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to generate a new slide. Let's get started. In Slides, click on the Gemini icon in the top right corner. Ask Gemini to create a slide with specifics of what you're looking for. If it's not exactly what you're looking for, just click Retry. Once your slide is generated, view and insert directly into your presentation. So there you have it. Generate a new slide in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the comments below. Follow Google Workspace for more tips just like this.